tell y'all. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is what I do for my everyday look. You know, just pop on some gloss, some foundation, do my brows, lashes, and pop some shadow on my lid and be on the go. I be gone. Hey, I be running late, or like I only have like 5-10 minutes to get dressed and I be wanting to look cute. I did not know my everyday look was this cute. Like, y'all, I keep looking at myself in the mirror. If you see me looking down, I keep looking at myself, y'all. Y'all know when the mirror is in front of y'all, y'all gotta look at y'all. Like, don't even lie. So this is my everyday look, you guys, and I hope you enjoy watching this video just as much as I did making it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. For my primer, I'm going to be taking the NYX Professional Makeup Shine Killer primer. I'm gonna just apply that all over my face. For some reason, I do not have combination skin anymore. My skin is just oily now. Like, I don't know if it's because of the season or what. Next, I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in the shade 109 Classic Tan. You guys, when I first bought this, I was like, this cannot be my color. I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and I'm going to spritz it with my Mario Badescu spray. Why is it wasting on me? Like, what's going on? And y'all, make sure your beauty blender is always damp. Like, you cannot be using a dry beauty blender and think your foundation is gonna come out bomb, because it's not. Like, I'm gonna spritz this, you know, gotta get it wet. We just gonna beat this face, like, period. I don't know if I'm looking orange on camera, but y'all, I promise y'all, this is my color. Making sure that it is blended into my skin. Now I'm going to be taking ColourPop's concealer in the shade medium. I'm going to be taking that same beauty blender and I'm gonna just, you know, blend it out under my eye. Blend, blend, blend. Y'all, when I tell y'all, I know I done said this a lot, but for me, this is like the best concealer under my eye. I was using LA Pro Girl for a while when I first started doing makeup, and at first it was working for me, but then like after a while it just wouldn't work with my skin anymore. Like, I don't know what was going on. I was just not feeling LA Pro Girl concealer anymore. Like, I love it on other people, but for me it just doesn't work for me. And I don't know why. At first it was working perfectly. Oh, look at my nails. Don't you just hate when your white nails get stained? Like, why? After that is blended in, I'm going to be going into my Laura Mercier and I'm going to be setting my under eye, my nose, and my chin. And I'm just going to pat this in. Okay. And I'm gonna get in the creases of my nose. I don't know, it just be looking real oily and caked up, and I don't like that. So shit, look a little huge. Okay. I'm just going to be taking a little bit of this for my forehead. Next, I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Contour Powder Kit in the shade medium to tan. I'm gonna just be taking these two shades right here And I'm just going to be putting it right here. Next, I'm going to contour is my nose. If I can find the brush for my nose, which I don't even know what brush that is, but it's okay. For an extra matte finish, I take the Too Faced, what is this? Too Faced Cocoa Powder foundation in the color Deep Tan. Already at the pan. And this is just for an extra matte finish because I get really oily now, and that is not cute. So for my everyday look, I usually just pop a color, whatever color I'm feeling at the time, into my crease. So I'm going to be taking the Morphe 350M palette, and I'm just going to pick a color and pop it into my crease, or just pop it onto my lid. I'm not showing you the colors I'm taking into the palette just because you can use any color you want to in your crease. And I'm going to take that first eyeshadow brush that I use, and I'm just going to blend them all together. So just to add just a little bit of moisture, I'm going to take the Mario Badescu and I'm going to spritz my face, you know. Let's hope my hair doesn't frizz up. For a highlight, I'm going to take the Hyper Real Glow by MAC. And I'm just going to dab into all three colors. I'm also going to put that on my nose and my chin. I'm going to be taking the Bobbi Brown gel eyeliner in the shade Black Ink. I also forgot to mention that my lash extensions are done by prettyandmink.co on IG. I will also list it in the description box below if you would like to check her out. What it do? Oh, what's up? Got you in my contacts.